Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. Hey y'all, if you're an older but goodie, welcome back, okay? If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Anique from Anique Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off our debt, and mind our business, and not necessarily in those four orders, okay? So if you do enjoy content like that, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button because we'd love to have you part of the family. Make sure you hit that like button if you do enjoy this video, and hit your 2 cents. Drop your 2 cents down below in the comment box by letting us know what you thought about the video, okay? And what would you have done different? Boom, bada bang, all that good jazz, all right? So as you guys can see, today I will be doing my paycheck budget breakdown. And baby, let's get into it, okay? Let's go. Okay y'all, so welcome back to the channel. I am up close and personal, all up in my business, you know, as I stated. And so this paycheck that we're gonna be doing is gonna be my paycheck from 8 December, okay, 2023. So 8 December 2023, and my bills account is bringing forward in my budget $530.67. And the check that I am doing today is $600. And so I have a total of, come on baby, let me see what you're working with. Show me what you're working with. 530.67 plus 600 equals $1,130.67. So that is how much we are working with today, and that is from my bills account and my paycheck, which comes from my rental income. Now my expense, I'm not going to be paying for anything in the expense portion because everything that I normally pay comes out of my regular salary check, which is my first and my 15th paycheck. So this is my rental income, and that comes to me on the 8th of December, and so that's what I use for this budget. Now, do I have money in these? I don't even remember if I have money in some of these, but I should. So anyways, first things first, I'm the realist. Come on. But no, separate apart from that, next we're going to move down to our cash envelopes, and let me make sure that you guys can see. So I have our regular cash envelopes, which is our groceries, gas, allowance, toiletries, household, and hair care, which is all good and dandy. We'd love to see it. Let's put $2 in toiletries because we don't have that much stuff, and let's put $3 in household because we don't have that much stuff. Then hair care, she shouldn't be getting nothing right now because she gonna get something. Actually, let me do hair care this paycheck, because if I do hair care this paycheck, then she'll be fully funded. Hold on. Okay y'all, so I'm back, and I had to get my cash envelope real quick because we're not counting the numbers, but I wanted to see what was in my hair care. And so in my hair care right now, I have $60. That's it. So I need $100 go to my hair care because, well, I need $120 to go to my hair care. Really? That's all I put in hair care. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's all I put in hair care. Dang, that's crazy. Okay, so $60 in hair care. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fully fund hair care because the amount of money that I would put in hair care next week, I'm going to use it for something else. And so then that will take care of that. So hair care today is going to get $120. Damn, hair care, you a rich girl. And then groceries is going to get $30. And then, is there money in gas? Oh, look at gas, big ballin'. Look what's the first thing in there. Okay, gas. So I won't put anything in gas, and I won't put anything in allowance, okay? So that is what we're gonna do for the cash envelopes. And so our cash envelope is gonna have a total of 3 plus 2 plus 30, $155. That is going towards that, okay? Next is gonna be So from this 600, so side note, let me explain to y'all. So if this is your first time watching me, how I do my budgets is that my bills account pays for my expenses, and then my paycheck pays for everything else. So my cash envelope, sinking fund, saving challenges, additional debt, all those, right? So for me, right, for me, when I go to my cash envelopes and I have $155 here, because my paycheck is the only thing that is going to account for this section, I go off of the 600 that I already know is what I'm allocated to put in all these sections, and I subtract the 155, which leaves me with 445 to process and work with. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna verify between my saving challenges and my sinking funds what I want to do, right? And this time around, even though my saving challenges are over here and it's next, I'm gonna prioritize my sinking funds, and I'm gonna do my sinking funds first before I move on into my saving challenges. So for me, right, for me, my car maintenance doesn't really have anything. If you know, you know, but I'm gonna put $20 in there. I am traveling soon, so for travel I do want to put I want to put 200 in travel because I'm just traveling soon, you know, so I might as well. For Christmas, I'm not gonna put anything because we're in Christmas now, and I'm using my credit card. I'm putting some dollars on my credit card, so that's basically taking over that. And then clothing, I'm gonna put $5. My birthday, I'm gonna put $5. Family birthday, I'm gonna put $5. 1 month ahead, I'm gonna put $10. And then, is there anything crazy with, I can't even see it. Okay, emergency fund, I'm gonna put 25. Let's put 25. Okay, so what we have is 200 plus, well, what we have is 20. I don't know why I said 200. So 20 plus 200 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 25. So for sinking funds, there is a total of $270, which is going towards my sinking funds, which that is great. And then now we're gonna go on to my saving challenges. So for me, if you know, for my 10 of a kind saving challenge, I only have 50s and 100. And then for my 100 envelope, I'm putting $20 bills in all of my envelopes that's under 20 that's currently available. Crazy, I have $70 here. So I think what I'm gonna do what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna split it because I want to put money into additional debt. So this is gonna go on my Navy Fed credit card, right, to pay off some debt, and I want to split that between my saving challenges. So I have $270 according to this that I have remaining. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put more on my credit card. So I'm gonna do 140 on my credit card, and then I'm gonna do down here, I'm gonna do 130 on my saving challenges, and so that should be for additional savings of 130. And then it should be for my additional debt of 140, right? And then nothing goes in here for the budget portion. So my income source total is $1,130.67. My expenses is 0. My cash envelopes is 155. My additional savings is 130. My sinking funds is 270. My additional debt is 140. And so when we do the calculations of 1130.67 minus 155 minus 130 minus 270, minus 140. We have a total, oh, wait a minute. Wait 1 single minute now. 1130.67. We have 155 minus 130 minus, girl, why did I put 270? Delete. So it's 155 minus 130 1130.67 minus 155 minus 130 minus 270 minus 140. Why is it bringing me down to 460? I should have 530.67. Let's see. 155 plus 130 plus 270 plus 140. Oh, girl, you went over. I don't know where we got this number, this 695 number, but that ain't it. So we have 695 on here, which is completely wrong, little baby. We should only be working with $600. So I need to take off $95 off of here. So that's gonna be between my Navy Fed. Yeah, it's gonna be between my Navy Fed credit card, and it's gonna be between my saving challenges. Child, who would have thought your girl would have messed it up, child? Messed it up. So let me wipe that out there, and wipe that out here, and then wipe out this section right there, and then wipe out this section right here. Okay. And so 155 plus 270 equals 425 minus 600. So I have 175 to work with, not 270, 175. So what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna do this 100 towards our credit card, so that's 100, and then we're gonna do $75 towards saving challenges. See, and Christ averted, you know, crisis averted. So in additional savings, we'll do that whiteout here, we'll do that whiteout, and then we will change these. Additional debt is going to be 100, and then additional savings will be 75, right? So now let's do the calculation, child, because we should have $530.67. So it is 1130.67 minus 0 minus 155 minus 175 minus 270 minus 100. Girl, please. What is going on? 155 plus 75 plus 270 plus 100. Bet you I put 175 here because of this little thing right here. Is 0, girl, 0. So let's try again. 1130.67 minus 0 minus 155 minus 75 minus 270 minus 100. Finally, sheesh, equals to $530.67. Baby, just what is going on? Right? I was like, what is going on? So that is $530.67, which is going over, which should be the amount that is in my bills account, child. But baby, to get there was a whole problem. But anyways, guys, that was the video, all the shookets of it all and everything in between. Okay, because baby, why are you acting up like this on camera in front of these good grown people? But anyways, y'all, that is how, talking out loud, your girl got to her budget, because I am traveling, so majority of my money went to traveling. I also wanted to put something towards debt. My sinking funds and all that, I wasn't really, you know, accounting for and all that good jazz. What else? My my cash envelopes, they didn't really have a lot, but since I can put a lot to hair care, I'm gonna put a lot to hair care first here, so that I don't have to worry about it next week, because my hair gets done before I get paid again. So you know, now, and then I don't have to worry about it later. And then I got some money for saving challenges. So we got things everywhere it needs to be, baby. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful in how you see I do my budget and how you think about you can do your budget, because baby, that one took us for a loop, but we figured it out and we got it together. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave your 2 cents down in the comment box below, and subscribe to the channel, because again, we would love to have you. And baby, please, if you have any guidance, tips of how you doing your budget, or what you are trying to do, or how you're trying to handle it, then, you know, go ahead and let your girl know. And also, I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. It has been not stressful, but it has been very much demanding of me to be consistent. And so this is my first time of recognizing what that means completely. And so it's the learning process. While this is videos for you guys, it's a learning process for me. So I'm really appreciative of the experience of Vlogmas in itself. So anyways, y'all, if you enjoyed the video, I hope you again consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all tomorrow, because you know what we're doing at 6:13 tomorrow. We cast stuff in. So see you tomorrow at 6:13 p.m. and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas and the videos. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.